In observance of Fire Prevention Month, the Bureau of Fire Protection, or BFP, underscored the importance of collaboration with local government units and other government agencies in keeping communities alert and safe from fire incidents. Maine Odong from Philippine Information Agency Calabarzon tells us more.
To raise public awareness and encourage cooperation in ensuring the safety of individuals and communities, BFP reminds the public that fire safety is not solely the responsibility of the Bureau, but a collective effort of all sectors.
Sa mga areas naman po na fire-prone, alam naman po natin as nakikita natin sa balita, mostly are mga informal settlers. Napakalaking challenge po yan sa BFP. But then again, nandyan ang assistance ng ating local government units at pati na rin yung pagmamasid ng ating mga barangay fire brigades. Ganon din po sa ating mga other agencies na partner natin when it comes to fire safety education.
As protectors of communities, firefighters will also given access to housing programs and services to boost their morale and show gratitude for their noble service through a partnership with the Pag-ibig Fund.
We recognize the sacrifices you make so that civilians are protected from the hazards of fire. Kaya naman po, hayaan po ninyo kami na magbigay rin ng proteksyon sa inyo sa pamamagitan ng mga benepisyong makakatulong sa pagpapaunlad ng inyong buhay.
Every March, fire-related incidents increase due to a combination of environmental factors and increased electrical consumption.
Sa pag-iwas sa sunog, hindi ka nag-iisa. That is the battle cry of BFP as they urge the public to be alert and vigilant in keeping everyone safe. From PIA Calabarzon, Maine Odong, Balitang Pabansa.